versatile nature of carbon. Okay, so carbon have some properties we have already studied, and in this chapter we have to study another properties of carbon, that is called a versatile nature of carbon. Then first one is catenation. Catenation. What is catenation? Catenation is the property of a carbon to become bonding with many carbon molecules. So this is carbon, this is carbon, this is carbon, carbon. So carbon has the property to bonding. This is a symbol for bonding, bonding with many other carbon atom. This property of carbon is called a catenation. So carbon forms bonding with many carbon molecule, then it is called a catenation. This property of carbon is called a catenation. Just like carbon, another metal, that is silicon. Silicon have also the property of catenation. Silicon is also formed bonding between other silicon atom. Okay, so this is not stable because after 7 or 8 bonding, the bonding will be break. So silicon is not stable, but carbon is stable. So this is the property of catenation. So catenation is applicable for carbon and silicon. Then the next property is tetravarancy. Tetravarancy. Tetra means 4. So we know that the atomic number of carbon is 6. The atomic number of carbon is 6. So K shall have 2 electron and L shall have 4 electron. So here L shall 4 electrons. It have the capacity to gain 4 another electrons or sharing between the 4 electrons. So in the outermost shell, the valence number of electron is 4. So the tetra means 4. So carbon have the capacity to gain 4 electrons from the nearest one. This property of carbon is called a tetravalency. Tetravalency means the outermost shell have 4 electrons. Then it is called tetravalency. So the main two versatile nature of carbon is catenation and tetravalency. Catenation is applicable for carbon and silicon. Tetravalency is applicable only for carbon. Saturated and unsaturated. What is the meaning of saturated? Saturated compounds. Suppose carbon form its compounds with another carbon atom by a single bonding. Single bonding. If single bonding is present there, then it is called a saturated compounds. Single bonding is called a saturated compound. So this is a saturated compound. Okay. What is unsaturated compound? If double or triple bonding are present there, if double bonding or triple bonding are present in a group in a chain of atom, then it is called a unsaturated compounds. For example, CH4. CH4 is called methane. So so carbon atom is 1 and the hydrogen atom is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So carbon shares is bonding with hydrogen atom. Here is a single bond. So this is a saturated compound.